Hi everyone, I have a Panasonic phone here. The keypad is very sticky. As you push in, and nothing will happen. I'll show you how to repair it. On the back, you remove the battery cover and then remove the batteries. There are two screws that need to be removed, one here and one there. And sometimes they're hard to get them out. They're very small screws. So after you remove these two screws, you use a flathead screwdriver and you pry this open. Be easier to pry it from the back. There's a little opening here. You open it like that and then go around and open this phone up, and there's two little things here that'll hold it against the top. Here we have circuit board, screw here, I don't know if you can see it, screw here, and there are two more screws here for the charger prong. And go ahead and remove these two. And they have to go in the same way they came out. So if you can't remember, just put it down the same way you take it out, and the one on the right and the one on the left, they have to go in the right way. So I'll put it down the same way that they came out, and already moved this one, so it should be easy to get the circuit board out. Now be careful, there's two small wires here for the speaker. So after removing this, oh, I forgot to remove this one. Okay, so you do need to remove all the screws. There's only 3 of them. You remove this and the whole circuit board will eventually pops out. The problem is that this circuit board gets dirty after a while, greasy. So I use rubbing alcohol, and you just clean the surface of the green side of it without any components with alcohol to get the grease dirt off of it, so it'll be better contact. And when you put it back in, make sure the speaker, which is that one, goes inside this place for it, which is here, which I usually do that first. I put that in there, and the rest of it should go in easily. So after you put it like this, a little push, and this should be in like that. Then start putting the screws back in. And remember, there's 2 over here with the bracket. Now these are the ones that you need to pay attention. So this one goes like that. In here, you see how it stands there? Has to stand upright. There's a place for that to go in. You can't go wrong. So tight one, then the other one same way. You could remove the screws if you want, and then put it back in if it's easier, but I've done so many of it, it's easy to do it either way. So you put that in there, one part, yeah, goes in here, slides in here, and that's what it should look like. And hopefully, if you have a small hand, you could easily put the screw in there, which I'm having a little trouble, but we could get it done. Now I know most people throw these phones away after they start doing that, but as you see, there is a way to repair this and get many more years usage out of it. So to put the cover back in, the top part goes in first like this, and it should just snap in, and there's 2 more screws goes here, which I'll do later. I'm gonna put the batteries in just to test it out. So yeah, it came on, and see how it is working with the small touch of finger. So that's how it works.